Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a graph using Google Sheets. So you need to start out in Google Drive, click New, choose Google Sheets, and then you're going to take the data that you have in your data table from your Zoom Tools Google Doc. You need to retype it on this Google Sheet, making sure you're putting it in the same spots where I have it here. So average time in seconds here on the side, low center of gravity, medium center of gravity, whichever types of spinning tops you made. And then these are your average spinning times right underneath. It's super important that you make it look just like this one, not skipping any rows or columns. Then I'm going to go ahead and highlight all my data, just the rows and columns where I typed data. I'm going to choose Insert, Chart. Chart is their word for a graph. And I'm going to choose a bar graph because I want to show those differences. I want to do some data analysis and for you to really see and for other people to see which spinning top spun the fastest. So if you use a bar graph, it will help with your data analysis. And if you notice, it already has a title going across the top, and it has a title going along the Y or the vertical axis, and it already has the titles going along the horizontal or the X axis. The only thing you really need to change here on the side is I'm going to scroll down. Actually, I'm going to go to Customize, choose Chart and Axis Titles, and instead of saying average time in seconds, I'm just going to add spinning top, so that if somebody doesn't know, they could see what this graph is telling us about. And once I click off of that, you can see it updated the title. And then all I have to do is a right click or a Control C to copy and a Control V to paste, and I can paste it into my slides. So that's how you make a graph, or what they call a chart, in Google Sheets. So I'm looking to see that you added that into your slides in your projects for your spinning top data. Good luck everybody. You can replay this video as many times as you need to look at it to help you.